just saw a shipment notification that my Color Street nail kit was delivered. So, yes, there it is. So excited. Let's go unbox this puppy. What's up guys, I'm Emily. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here or you just haven't subscribed yet, then hit that subscribe button for me and make sure you tap the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Color Street Stylist Nail Kit. So if you're thinking about becoming a stylist, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to see everything that comes in the kit as of August 2019. Now, something to consider is that Color Street does switch up their colors and designs based on the season. So obviously August is spring, summer. If you were to become a stylist in fall, winter, then you might see different themes or color schemes in your kit. But for the most part, in terms of contents, it's going to be pretty consistent with what you see in the kit today. Now, let me rewind and back up, because if you don't know what Color Street is, then this video is going to be irrelevant to you on so many levels. So if you've never heard of Color Street, really quick, Color Street nail strips are 100% nail polish. They are fast, easy, fun. They don't require any heat or tools to apply. They come off with regular nail polish remover. They're vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Of course they're vegan, I'm vegan, so I wouldn't be supporting a product that wasn't vegan. And probably my favorite thing about them is that there's no dry time. So you just slap them on and you can get back to your life. Inevitably, if you've ever painted your nails, you've run into that situation where your nails are wet and you need to like go to the bathroom or make food or take your dog out or deal with your kid, and you can't because your nails are wet and one gets ruined or two or three, worst case scenario, and it's over. So I'm super busy. I'm always very active, hiking, cooking, cleaning, doing all kinds of stuff. So I used to just paint my nails at night when I was done with my day, and I would be so sure that they were dry, and I would go to bed and wake up the next morning with the imprint of the fabric from my sheets on my nails. Like, not cute. So Color Street eliminates that problem. They're actually 95% dry when you take them out of the package, and then the last 5% just cures to your nail. So if you are ready to try Color Street, leave me a comment and I will get in touch with you so I can send you a free sample. If you want to just check out all the colors and designs in the sets that we have, I'm also going to put my link in the description so you can peruse my website. So without further ado, let's get into that unboxing. Okay, so the first thing we have are the pedicure strips. There's only one set of these. I've never tried these before, so I'm definitely looking forward to doing that. This is Brazilianaire color. And then we have some glitter strips. These are Your Corally Invited. I love the names, they're so cute. Another set of glitter. These are like party time nails. Moon River. Then we have a French manicure that has like some awesome glitter in it. I don't think I've ever even seen these before. This is Tokyo Twinkle, but it's a French. I'm gonna have to check that one out. And then we have some design strips here. These ones are super pretty. These are called Flora Good Time. Solids. Charleston Blush. Some glitter with pattern. Rosé all day. What? These are like a nice rose gold with a pattern. Silicon Valley. Some more glitter. It looks like I got like a pink theme, which is kind of funny because my tablecloth is pink and I kind of love pink. Nuclear Fusion. Fusion? That's like a play on words. That's clever. They kind of look nuclear. And then we have another pinkish rose goldish set here. These ones are called At the Plaza. Continuing with my pink theme. Okay. These are a major glitter strip. Tokyo Lights. I'm pretty sure these are the best selling ones, actually. I haven't tried the glitter strips yet. And then we have these cute little petite sets. So these are like for kids or people with really small hands. These ones are called Tiny and Shiny. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and this is an interesting snakeskin pattern. Not something that I would probably normally choose since I'm vegan. But, you know, sometimes some animal print, you gotta go for it. Good Night Hiss. That's a good name. So those are all of the nail strip sets. It's 13 full sets, 1 French, 2 solid, 2 glitter, 5 design, 1 pedicure, and 2 petite. So that is a lot of nail strips, guys. And definitely loving this pink theme. Really quick, before we go into the samples, I just have to show you my nails. They are so long and looking better than ever. Like, I've never had nails this long. And after I tried Color Street and wore them for a few months and my nails just got healthier and healthier, I just had to become a stylist. I couldn't not. It was just like when you fall in love with a product and you wholeheartedly respect that product and it works for you, then you just got to do what you got to do. So anyway, let's move on. There's 72 testers, which these will be sent out as samples to people. There's a bunch of these pink, again, going with this pink theme. These look like the Tokyo Lights ones right here. I'm obsessed with my nails. I'm sorry, they're so long. Got a couple more in there. Oh, okay, so we got some blue going on this side, if I can get these out of here. Some silver, sparkles, some blue. Awesome. So those are the testers. And then we also have 2, why can't I get these out? Good thing I have my nails that just help me get those out. 2 buffer shiner files. Then there's these larger files, 2 boxes of those. We have a letter from the founder, Fa Park, how to apply. A tote bag, cool. Oh, wow. Catalogs, spring, summer 2019. So that has all the nail strips for the season. Some colorful brochures for people that are interested in becoming a stylist. I think we give this out to people who are interested in joining the team. We have these little mini files. There's 60 of these, so 2 little packages. Cuticle pushers, cuticle sticks, whatever they're called. There's 50 of those. Nail polish remover pads, 2 boxes of those. So there's 40 of those. And then nail prep pads. So these are just like little alcohol swab pads to just like make sure your nail is nice and clean, and it's easy for the 95% layer on the bottom of the nail strip to cure to your nail. So there's like a base coat, the color coat, and then a top coat, and the base coat is only 95% dry so that it has that 5% to cure to your nail. And let's see, the last piece is the Road to Success I guess this is like a little journal. It has all of the compensation plan, summary information, tips, how to connect with people, address book, pretty pictures. Cool. So that is the full contents of the Color Street Stylist Nail Kit. And if you don't want to become a stylist, but you just want to like get a great deal on a whole bunch of nails, I mean, go ahead and get this. Why not? So I opened up one of the catalogs. I just wanted to give you a full overview of all of the colors and styles that are available. There's literally something for everyone. So there you have it. That's everything that comes in the kit. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any questions, drop a comment. And if you just want your free sample, hit me up in the comments and I'll make sure I get that out to you ASAP. The last thing I want to talk to you guys about today is the business opportunity. So aside from the fact that I am obsessed with the product, which is very important, if you don't love Color Street, then I don't recommend becoming a stylist. But one of the major factors that tipped me over the edge in deciding to become a stylist was the minimal investment cost. I have tried so many business opportunities and every single one of them has required a major upfront investment in either product or training. But Color Street is not one of those companies. This kit that you saw today is $150 more or less depending on where it's being shipped to. And then the website is a $10 per month maintenance fee, which is like a Netflix subscription. So let's say worst case scenario, you decide that you want to become a stylist, you order your kit, and then life gets in the way, things happen, and it doesn't end up working out and you don't sell anything. You're only out $150 or $160 and $10 a month. Like, if you even decide to keep your website up and running, that is so minor. And for me, that was really important because I'm not going to say that I've been scammed, but I have invested a lot of time and money into other areas where I learned so much from those things, but they didn't really fulfill me or produce in the way that this already has for me in such a short period of time. So again, like I said, you have to love the product, but if you're looking for something that you can do part-time, that is really fun and easy to talk to people about because it's already a novelty kind of item, people are just naturally interested in it. It doesn't feel like salesy or like you're pushing it on people. It's like they want to try it. They want to hear about it. So for me, it's just been such a breath of fresh air to be promoting something that I really love, that I really believe in, and that doesn't require me to kind of like bend or shift my morals or exaggerate the truth in any way. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. There will be a link in the description for you to peruse my website if you want to shop. I will also leave a link in the description if you're ready to become a stylist and you want to join my team, and I will support you and mentor you along the way so that you have just as much fun as I'm having with it. And I think that's it. So I love you guys. God bless you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.